哇，包的，包的，哇，这肯定超10磅了。Hello everybody, Fish Taco here. Another beautiful night here on the Cowlitz River. Another smelt dipping video. Well, I'm not here night dipping for smelt because that would be illegal. I was here camping overnight and also checking out the fish before the morning and beat the traffic. You can see there's a lot of cars and people already at 7 a.m. waiting for that 8 a.m. opener. Everybody just standing off the bank waiting for that 8 o'clock start. The countdown has started. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Go deep. So at the beginning, the fish were closer to the bank, and you can get a few here and there in the net. But because so many people with the net in the water, the fish kind of getting further and further away from the bank, and you need a longer and go deeper for the fish. Second opener, smelt dipping, Cowlitz River, Washington. Today is February 21st, Saturday. And for a little bit, there are people on this section of the bank where we were are not getting much fish coming out from the net. As you can see, there's a lot of nets coming out, empty netted. And I think because just the volume and the density of people and nets in the water just pushing the fish further and deeper into the river. Not a lot of people getting fish in the net right now. So we either gonna find a better place, a quiet place, a little further down the river where before the crowds, or we have to do something different. And then somebody with an idea of just diving into the water, hand net the fish further out in that frigid cold water in wetsuit and pulling fish out little by little. And for one thing, I gotta give him credit. This is awesome. I mean, maybe she might scare the fish out a little bit more from the bank, but she's definitely getting fish in the net every single time. Yep, and make sure weigh the fish before you head back to your car in the parking lot. Otherwise, somebody else will be there waiting for you and weigh your fish for you. Just look at that people. Oh my goodness. This is epic. Just as far as the camera can see, it's all people. Oh my goodness. Looks like this group already get the fish separated in 10-pound bags before they head back to the car. So this area a little bit downstream, looks like still a lot of people out here, but seems like people getting more fish than where we were upstream. But still, this crowd is not of my liking. I would like to find a place a little quieter for myself to dip my net into. Yeah, no kidding, just look at the crowd. It's just epic. It's pretty good for people watching, but I would like to have a little better place for myself to go dipping for my share of the fish. Now, this is what I call a quiet place on the river for myself. As you can see, the fish is not that far away from the bank. They're undisturbed by anybody downstream because there's nobody downstream. One scoop, that's 10 pounds right there. A perfect specimen of 10-pound net right here. And I was nice enough to call my friends over so that they can get the limit quick. On this one, the rod on the deep net got bended permanently because of the weight of the fish. It's at least 25 pounds right here. And the game warden's up high on the levee, watching like a hawk and weighing all the buckets.
They cancel out, so that's 11. So now you're 20.5.
After smelt dipping, I stopped by Silver Lake on my way home and caught some crappie and yellow perch. So that'll be on the next video. See you next time. Bye-bye.